Telegram, how to remove contacts. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove contacts on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if Telegram has actually linked your contacts to your Telegram app and synced them, automatically they're going to show up in your contact list and recommended list. And if you want to delete those contacts who are on your phone from your Telegram, now as long as they are inside your contacts, you cannot completely remove them from Telegram because you will still be able to find them in the contact section, but you can actually stop Telegram from syncing the contacts from your contacts list. So to do this, open Telegram, tap the three lines option, go to settings, privacy and security, scroll down, select the option called delete sync contacts, and also make sure to uncheck both these toggles that says sync contacts and suggest frequent contacts. And because it has already been synced in the past, you can try to delete them by tapping on it, tapping on delete in order to delete those synced contacts. But of course they are still going to show up in a contact list because of course you can see over here, but as you can see those contacts has been removed now and you have no contacts on Telegram yet. Now it has successfully worked, and this way you can actually remove contacts on Telegram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.